Welcome to Roger's Motorcycle World YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be going over the installation of the knee pads on the tank, and the instructions do say once they are stuck to the tank, it is very difficult to get them off. So I think I only have one shot here. We'll see what happens. So these are the items that you get in the package: 2 knee pads and 2 wipes to clean the tank. But after looking at the knee pad on the tank, I don't know that I like the look. You know, I was thinking about it a little bit more, and I thought that maybe I had my lighting too bright, and you know, maybe that's the reason why it was showing a difference in the colors, in my opinion. So I also got the panniers, and I thought I would put them both up, and you can kind of see they seem to be the same color as the seat and the tank bag, and it seems to integrate a little bit better. Not sure if I want them on there or not. Let me know what your opinion is, if I should install the tank knee pads or not, in the comments below.